Chris Maxson, Mark Kennedy here with Acucraft Fireplaces. 30 years ago when I toured Acucraft before I bought the company, I looked at the quality of the steel and the quality of the fireplaces were made. And I said to myself, when I buy this company, I'm never changing the quality of these fireplaces.
This is a Hearthroom 44-inch single-sided fireplace. This thing weighs 1,200 pounds, 7-gauge steel, 100% welded. So today, we took a 4,100-pound car, but we're gonna drop it on top of this fireplace.
We'll see what happens.
Stay tuned.
Can? Yes!
Oh!
You don't like that. Like that. You ain't gonna like nothing.
That's what we thought was gonna happen.
There we go.
All right, here we are. We dropped a 4,100-pound car on a Hearthroom 44 single-sided fireplace. Just goes to show how well these things are built. 7-gauge steel, lifetime warranty on these fireplaces, and this kind of proves it. There we go.
Great day.
Nice job.
Hey, well done, Kennedy.
Good day. Yep.
Where'd the roof go?
The banana car.